Providing you with quality parts is our priority. We manufacture right here in Oklahoma, and all of our spindles are serialized for traceability. Our machinists are highly skilled and turn out parts that are precise to specifications. We have spindles to fit 1-ton vehicles all the way up to Class 8. United Axle spindles have a threaded design, and when installed, transforms your axle into a serviceable part. Replacement spindles are then easily installed in less than 1 hour. It's that easy. Call 844-SPINDLE or go to unitedaxle.com for your spindle repair.